Welcome to Make Money with Video Marketing Training Chapter 58. How to create an interesting AI image for a video scene. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create an interesting AI image for a video scene. Step by step. So let's get started. Still in Chat GPT, continue the previous project. And we ask Chat GPT to create an AI image based on the fantasy concept given. Wait a few moments, and Chat GPT will create an image for you. You can download it directly by clicking the download icon. You can try creating AI images for other scenes. However, if you only use the free Chat GPT, you will be limited to creating AI images. The solution is to upgrade your account to the paid version to be able to use the AI image creation feature. That's how to create an interesting AI image for a video scene. See you in the next tutorial.